How to use the SpreadJS XLSX Editor, a VS Code extension. VS Code can't natively display Excel files. Using the new SpreadJS extension, developers can now create, view, or edit spreadsheets directly within the editor. First, install the extension by navigating to VS Code's extensions and search for SpreadJS XLSX Editor. Once installed, the extension gives developers a familiar spreadsheet experience for managing complex XLSX workflows. They can build, edit, and update spreadsheets without leaving VS Code. This includes support for XLSX, XLSM, XLTM, CSV, as well as SpreadJS formats like SJS and SSJSON. Install the SpreadJS XLSX Editor extension today, or to learn more about the JavaScript spreadsheet that powers this extension, go to developer.meshias.com/spreadjs